This is not just a wooden bed, it's a smart, space-saving solution. In this project, I built a single wooden bed with a hidden secret underneath, a large pull-out drawer that can be used in two ways, either as storage for blankets and mattresses, or as a second bed for another person, perfect for small rooms, guest spaces, or anyone who wants functionality without sacrificing design. Watch until the end to see how this simple piece transforms into something incredibly practical. So, this is the final result. A strong, clean, wooden bed with a hidden pull-out system that gives you extra space, extra storage, and even an extra bed when you need it. Simple idea, but very powerful in everyday use. If you enjoyed this build and want to see more smart woodworking projects like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments, would you use this as storage or as a second bed? See you in the next project.